Hello children, today I will be telling you about your internal assessment in English language which is of 20 marks. Your internal assessment consists of testing your listening and speaking skills. First I will tell you about the speaking skill, how the speaking skill will be conducted. It will be conducted jointly by the subject teacher and the external examiner. You will be given a question paper containing instructions and 5 topics. From these 5 topics, you have to choose any one topic to speak on and also discuss with the examiners. Subjects or topics may include narrating an experience, providing a description, giving directions how to make or operate something, expressing an opinion, giving a report, relating an anecdote, or commenting on a current event. You will be given 1 hour for preparation, and during this 1 hour, you may write on any topic and memorize it, or even prepare on any one topic mentally. After this 1 hour, you are required to make an oral presentation for about 2 minutes, which will be followed by a discussion on the subject with the examiners for about 3 minutes. You may refer to short notes during the presentation, but reading or depending too much on the notes will be penalized. Examiners will assess you individually and take the average of their combined scores. 10 marks are awarded for speaking skills on the following criteria: fluency, subject matter, organization, quality of language, and delivery of matter. So you have to brush up on all these points, children. And for this, you may practice by preparing any topic and speaking on it for 2 minutes using proper expression. Next, I will tell you about your listening skill. Listening is an active communicative process which requires the listeners to comprehend or understand accurately the meaning of what is said by the speaker. Listening is a process that consists of hearing, attending, understanding, responding, and remembering. A passage of about 300 words will be read aloud twice. The first time at normal reading speed and the next time at a slower speed. You may make short notes during the readings, and for this you have to be very alert and listen attentively while the teacher is reading. After the 2 readings, you have to answer an objective type test based on the passage read out to you. There will be 10 multiple choice questions with 3 options each. You have to choose the correct option and write A, B, or C as the answer. And listening skills are also of 10 marks. So this is all that you should know about speaking and listening skills, children. I will be giving topics for you to practice speaking skill, and then for listening skill I will be sending an audio in which I will be reading a passage twice, during which you may note down important points. You will listen to the audio only once and then answer the questions that I will be sending. There is a time limit also, children. Listening to this passage twice and then answering the questions should be done in 30 minutes. Both should be done in 30 minutes. So for the next class, be ready. I'll be sending the audio and the question paper, which will help you to practice your listening skill.